Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an animated handwriting or signature effects, the kind that usually takes hours in After Effects, but this time it's super easy, free, and all done in Spring Video Editor. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Spring apps, this one, and then just tap on Create New, and then just choose your video or import your video. But in this tutorial, I will be using a plain black background from the image asset, this one, like this. Next, you can adjust your ratio, your video ratio. In this tutorial, I will use 16:9, like this. Next, just go to handwriting, and here you can choose your brush style, color, and adjust the size to match your design. And then just go ahead and write your text or signature directly on the screen. In this tutorial, I will use a white, like this. Maybe like this. Sorry if my handwriting not looks good. And once you're done, just tap animations, this one, and go to M. And then you can choose draw by stroke for a natural drawing look. Or you can also choose draw in order if you want it to follow the exact scan you wrote. And in this tutorial, I will use draw in order like this. And next, just play around until you like the result, just to further edit as you like. But in this tutorial, I'm going to take it a step further. I will export this handwriting clip so we can use it and overlay on another video. And then just go back to your project and remove the old clips. And then just import another main video that you want to use. Like this. Then bring in your handwriting clip as an overlay. Like this. Next, just resize the handwriting clip so it fits perfectly like this. Like this. And then I will adjust the speed. Now just go to blend feature, this one, and then choose multiply, like this. This will make the handwriting appears as effect like this. Like this, and that's it. You have got a smooth animated handwriting effects. No After Effects, no complicated setup, and totally free with Spring Video Editor. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!